Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it is Thursday, March 20. What? It's not Thursday. It's Wednesday, March 24th. Good morning, everybody. Hey, I hope you're having a great day today. Can you please stand up and do the Pledge of Allegiance with me? Stand at attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you guys can have a seat. So this almost never happens where we just have morning assemblies this week where we're just kind of doing some announcements and taking care of business. But I thought of something. Both of the last 2 days have really gone well with a virtue that we haven't talked about in a long time, and the virtue is orderliness. Orderliness means like making sure that everything is in order. Like on Monday, we made sure that the field was being treated right and taken care of. That shows orderliness. You're taking care of the field. You can show orderliness with your homework. You can make sure your homework's in the right place. You can show orderliness with your schedule and make sure you do all the right things in the day. I know some of you are probably looking at your schedule on the board right now. Is it over here maybe? Or over here? Anyways. So many different ways to be orderly. Yesterday, we talked about being orderly by picking up trash. Okay, that also shows the virtue of cleanliness. Somebody told me this shows the virtue of respect, responsibility. People told me so many different virtues yesterday. What else? I have a whole poster of these on my wall. Oh, it shows consideration. It shows responsibility. So many virtues by taking care of our campus. So yesterday we picked up trash and what else? We kept those rocks on the field looking nice. Oh, we took care of the bathrooms. Nice job. Today, here's your goal. I don't actually know exactly what you're going to do. You're going to have a class meeting right now to find out what does your class need to do to make your classroom better. Okay, it might be cleaning. It might not be cleaning. It might be you've had too many people who are shouting out without raising their hand. Or it might be maybe you have a lot of people that have too much work that's not getting finished. I don't know. But every class runs like a little family. And guess what? Every once in a while, families have to just get together and say, hey, we got to clean things up. This hasn't been getting done. This hasn't been getting done. You got to get your chores done, get your teeth brushed, get in bed, right? So we're kind of taking care of business this week and showing orderliness. Have a meeting with your class and talk to them. Probably the first thing you should do is start thinking of some ideas, but you might want to just ask your teacher, right? Hey, what have you noticed? What can we do? What can we do to make this space better for everyone to learn, make it feel safe, make it clean, make it look amazing? So have a great day. I would love to hear about what your class decided to do. So when you see me around today, tell me what your project is that your class is working on. Have an amazing day, Achieve.